Okay, come on, hurry up. Where is it? Right here.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Bexley, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Granville, Pawhuska, Groveport, Johnstown, Sunbury, Granville South, Beechwood Trail, Summit Station, Whitehall, Etna, New Albany, Obetz, Jersey, Kirkersville, and Alexandria. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 102 and 122.
Am I at a marginal risk or something?
I-71 in Ohio near mile marker 131.
Yeah, marginal risk today. Yeah, you're at marginal risk. So
Crap,
it's Pittsburgh,
man.
Wilmington, and Cleveland. Also, key fact that St. Louis and Lincoln, Illinois are under marginal risk as well. Well, actually, maybe not Lincoln, but St. Louis, but it's probably Missouri. Let me check the radar. No, I didn't want the damn stations. I wanted the goddamn map. Yeah, half of Cleveland's got a marginal risk, and holy f***, there's a lot of enhanced risk. Oh wait, that's Dakota. It's North and South Dakota. Well, f*** me.
I don't care about that guy with glasses right now. Not you, Mox. I know you have glasses, but you catch my drift.
Sorry, I'm just looking for a radio.
Holy sh! Yeah, that's a pretty strong thunderstorm line.
Is it that bad?
You want to see?
I'm gonna get a GR level and take a look myself.
Putnam, Allen, and Hancock counties, they're getting hit right now, dude.
Screw Lincoln. I'm going to.
I have thunderstorms to my south and to my west crawling into much of northern Ohio.
Well, good luck. Looks like it's another controlled chaos day.
No, it's not as bad.
Well, how's that? We gotta get that video uploaded, by the way, before your power goes.
I saved my project just in case, but at the same exact time,
is it
I have this.
Oh my god, it's so close. It's so close to downloading. Oh my god. Another one? Oh boy. So there's the word issue from Marion, Ohio.
Where's it gonna go? I think right here.
Well, this afternoon, the combination of temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s along with high relative humidity will lead to the index rising to between 95 and 100 today. And now the National Weather has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for 30 p.m.
What the heck?
At 12:50 p.m., thunderstorm was located near Lulu, or 9 miles west of Marion, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour, and penny-sized hail.
What is it? What is it doing?
Radar indicated.
It's skipping.
Impact. Expects damage to trees and power lines.
I don't think.
Locations impacted include Marion, Prospect, Luru, Morrill, Caledonia, New Bloomington, and Green Camp. Now,
That was weird. Did you hear the stream like skip a few times like that? Wait, where's my mouse cursor? Where I can't find my. Oh, there it is. Okay.
urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake 20th or over Columbiana and is nearly stationary. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Salem, Columbiana, Lisbon, Lake 20th, New Waterford, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Columbiana, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Wyandotte County in northwestern Ohio, western Crawford County, eastern Hancock County in northwestern Ohio, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Forest, or 11 miles west of Upper Sandusky, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Findlay, Tiffin, South Goya, Kinsilas, Upper Sandusky, Forest, Arlington, Louisville, Sycamore, Arcadia, Morrill, Van Wert, Van Buren, Eagle, Chatfield, Marseille, Cary, Benton, Nevada, and Bloomdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. And indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Hancock, Seneca, and Wyandotte. Miles per hour after midnight. Chance of wind 70%. Heat index values in the upper 90s early in the evening. Saturday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers with a 52% chance of rain 50%. north interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Trumbull, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special warning for initial waters from Watersville, Ohio to the islands of Ohio. Watersville, Ohio, part of Iowa, Ohio, for 8 miles western daylight time, north of 10 miles per hour p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Watersville Harbor to 24 nautical miles south of North Cape, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and steadily higher waves. Locations impacted include Long Beach, Fruit Bay, and Jones Island. Frequent lightning is occurring within storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday night. Evening. It becomes partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Sunday. Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts at quarter-size hail. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Minor damage to vehicles if possible. Locations impacted include Trinity, South Korea, King Silas. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 7 miles east of Oregon to 7 miles southwest of Fremont, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fremont, Port Clinton, Fruit Bay, Belgium, Clement, Oak Harbor, Kingstonburg, Genoa, Louisville, Elmwood, Cool Springs, Mobile, Catawba Island, Bayview, Lindsay, Rocky Ridge, Cool Center, Helena, Brisbane, and Stony Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Ottawa, and Sandusky. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service for Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Erie County, Utah, County, and northwestern Ohio until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Greensburg to 6 miles northeast of Louisville to near Chesterfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour at any size hazard, 60 miles per hour and any size hail. Impact. Source. Radar indicated. Power lines. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky following county: Trumbull, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Ward area. Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen in the past hour. 2 to 3 inches of rain has fallen in the past 2 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Vienna Center, Girard, Vienna, and Brookfield Center. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Ward area. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the Ward area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Trumbull, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lorraine County until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near 10 miles south of western Vermilion, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: excess trees and power lines. Locations of hazard include Lorraine, western Vermilion, Westlake, North Ridgeville, Avon, Amherst, Grafton, Wilmington, North Homestead, Avon, Bay Village, Sheffield Lake, Eaton, Oakland, Sheffield, LaGrange, South Amherst, and Pittsfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damage, windy, continuous clouds, ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's mighty killers. Remember, if thunder clouds are close enough to be struck by lightning, repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time in Trumbull County, Lorraine, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters for Reno Beach, Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Huron, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small clouds could get damaged to greatly higher winds and high waves. Location of impact includes Huron, Kelly's Island, Sandusky Bay, and Marine Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Marion County, thunderstorm warning has been issued at 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Wayne, and Monroe. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hanover County, eastern Seneca County, and northwestern Ohio until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chatfield, or 11 miles north of Bucyrus, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Willard, Louisville, Attica, North Fairfield, and Sidewalk. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Huron, and Seneca. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morrow County, Knox County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sunbury, or 11 miles east of Delaware, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Centerburg, Danville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Waringo, Fulton, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty, Bladensburg, and Chalk. Waves occasionally around 6 feet.
Perfect time.
Upstairs this morning.
Yep.
Okay, I want you to take it.
I was waiting for it.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County and east central Ohio, northeastern Tuscaloosa County and east central Central Ohio until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Waynesburg, or 9 miles west of Carrollton, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Minerva, Augusta, Malvern, Mineral City, Sharpstown, Zor, Methodisttown, Atwood Lake. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5
I would catch up. There's no warning issued.
Yeah, I know.
Thunderstorms in the
So
evening.
that'd be a doubleheader question mark?
Mostly cloudy
No.
with a chance
I'll
of
do that.
showers. Humid with lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour in the evening, becoming light and variable. Chance of rain 50%. For Monday, partly sunny in the morning.
Here we go. So if I don't refresh the page, then the stream is behind. Wait, that could have been a doubleheader then.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Ohio, Belmont and Monroe, and the following
Yeah, I thought I
counties
caught a double
in
header
West
on it.
Virginia,
Dang it.
Marshall, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County in east central Ohio, Belmont County in east central Ohio, southern Ohio County in northern West Virginia, northwestern Marshall County in northern West Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Woodsfield, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Wheeling, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Warwood, Bethlehem, Philadelphia, Valley Grove, Shadyside, McMicken, Powhatan Point. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 209 and 225. Interstate 70 in West Virginia between mile markers 0 and 12. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
This is just insane, man. Oh crap! Derpy fire alarm just caught that flash flood emergency.
Nice. Anyways.
And also, Chandler commented down on the montage.
Yeah. 3,
No?
2,
Oh,
1.
there it goes.
Urgent weather message.
What the heck? This thing goes
The
clear all of a
National
sudden.
Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, north central Carroll County and east central Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Minerva, or 11 miles southwest of Salem, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Salem, Hanover, New Garden, East Rochester, North Georgetown, Winona, Palmworth, Guilford Lake State Park. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hancock County in northwestern Ohio until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lawson or near Bluffton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include St. Lee, Fostoria, Bluffton, North Baltimore, Macomb, Arlington, Arcadia, Lawson, Van Loo, Van Buren, Bloomdale, Benton Ridge, Genera, Mount Corey, and Bairdstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. not indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hancock, Ohio. This is Nova.
Where in the world did that one come from? Hang on a minute. What was that, Mux?
I was wondering to myself. I was wondering. It's like, I was funny though. We were just like, you're like, don't, and then I was like, what the heck? I thought that was like the fact you edited to your video.
Nah, it wasn't.
I was wondering, it's like, where did that come from? I heard some other severe thunderstorm where at first I was thinking, oh, it's just a flash flood or something. No, severe thunderstorm. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that came from Northwestern. Wait, is KDO 94 back on the air yet?
Motor. The pressure was 28.86
Yes!
inches and falling. Elsewhere across Ohio, at Akron Airport, it was sunny with a temperature of 92. With a 5 to 10 miles.
Oh boy.
What?
Can we mention Lucas and Lucas counties?
It was perfect sunny with a temperature of 89 in Columbus and 85 in Cincinnati.
I need a